Good evening everyone. So far we learned lot on fractions. Now I thought of doing some review exercises on fractions. That is addition of like terms, like fractions, subtraction of like fractions, and how to find the lowest form of those fractions. Okay, let's start. First question. Now suppose if you ask to add three 1/6s each other. When we add like fractions, what we have to do is we can't add denominators. Denominator stays the same. So we can add only numerators. 1 and 1 2, 2 and 1 3. So the answer here is 3 out of 6. 6 cannot be added. Keep it in mind. When you ask to add 6, we don't need to add 3 6. What we have to do is we have to add the numerators on. So answer is 3 6. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, same as suppose a sum like this. Okay, 2/7 plus 3/7. 2 and 3, 5, 7 remains the way it is. Same as 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/8. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 3, 5 out of 8. This is the answer. Okay, more sums on addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Next sum is something like this. 1/10 plus, okay, 1/10 plus 7/10. Okay, I'm going to add 1 and 7 here. 1/10 plus 7/10 means 8/10. Okay, answer is 8/10. But there's something here. This is not the lowest form of the fraction. There are equivalent fractions for 8/10, which is the lowest form of this. So you get full marks if you write this onto its lowest form. Otherwise you won't get full marks. You will get marks for this answer, but the thing is, if you want to get full marks, you have to write this into its lowest form. Okay. Previous session I taught you how to make equivalent fractions into their lowest form. Okay. Both has a common factor. Both has common factors. Okay. 8 and 10 factors. Okay, factors. This is 1, 2, 5 and 10. 8 means 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. Factors of 10 means 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 8 means 1, 2, 4 and 8. Out of these, highest common factor is 2. Okay. Or we can say 10. 10 means 1 times 10 tables, 2 times 5. More than that, there are no tables. Same as 8. 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So 10, the factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 8, the factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Out of these, 2 is the highest common factor. 1 is also a common factor, 2 is the highest common factor. So easily we can divide numerator and denominator by their highest common factor, by 2. 4 out of 5. So 4 out of 5 is the correct answer here. 8 out of 10 is correct, but if you want to be more accurate, this is the answer. If you want to get full mark, you have to write the result into their lowest form. Okay. Suppose this sum 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6. Okay. Answer is 2 out of 6. 2 out of 6. Is this the final answer? 2 is a factor of both 2 and 6. So we can divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2 means 1, 6 divided by 2 means 3. So 1/3 is the most correct answer. We will do more sums on this. What else? One 12 plus 7 12. Okay, and we have to add these. 7 and 1, answer is 8. 12 won't change. Unfortunately, both these numerator and denominator can be divided by their highest common factor. Okay, 8 and 12 both are divisible by 1, as well as 8 and 12 both are divisible by 2. Even numbers can be divided by 2. Not only that, both these numbers are multiples of 4. Or 4 is a factor of both these two figures. So we can divide both by 4. Okay, I am not going to divide this by 2. I am straight away going to divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 means 2. 12 divided by 4 means 3. More than that we can't simplify. 2/3 is the answer here. Okay, but if we want to divide this by 2, we have to do more. If we divide both these terms by 2, 8 divided by 2 means 4, 12 divided by 2 means 6. Again we have to divide by 2 because 2, 6 and 4 also divisible by 2. So it will be 2/3 yet again. Next. Now we will do some subtraction sums. Okay, 2/3 minus 1/3. Here also denominator won't change. We have to subtract only the numerators. 1 from 2 means 1. So 1/3 is the answer. Same as 3/4 minus 3/5 minus 1/5 equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 won't change. More than that we can't simplify. Okay. What if a sum like this? 3/4 minus 1/4. We get an answer there as well. 2 over 4. But this is the final answer. I think we can divide both by 2 to get their lowest term. So when we divide both by 2, 2 divided by 2 means 1, 4 divided by 2 means 1. So half is the answer. Same as if we subtract 7 over 12. Okay, 1 over 12 from 7 over 12, we get answer as 6 over 12. 6 and 12 both are divisible by 6 itself. So 6 over 6 means 1. So the lowest term is again half. Next. Suppose a sum like this. 20 divided by 30 minus 20 divided by 30 divided by 8. 29 divided by 30 minus 9 divided by 30. Okay, when we subtract this, 29 minus 9 is 20 over 30. Is this the final answer? 20 out of 30. There are zeros after 2 and 3. So basically we can divide both by 10 to get it into their lowest term. 20 divided by 10 means 2. 30 divided by 10 means 3. So 0 to 0 goes 2 over 3 is the answer. Next, 101 out of 200 minus 51 out of 200. Answer is, if we subtract 51 from 101, it seems like it is 50. 50 out of 200. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. 10 minus 5 is 50. And is this the final answer? There are zeros after 5 and 20. So we can divide both by 10. So 0 to 0, answer is 5 over 20. But still I am a bit suspicious. Why? Because I feel like we can divide 5 over 20 by another certain factor, another certain number. 5 itself can be divided by 5, 20 also divisible by 5. So 5 is also a factor of these two values. So 1 over 4 is the answer. So lowest form is 1 over 4. Okay. Couple of sums more. Maybe another 3 sums. 7 out of 10 plus 1 out of 10 minus 3 out of 10. Okay. First we have to add here. 7 and 1 is 8. Then we can subtract 3 from 8. So that is 5. We won't add or subtract 10s. Denominator remains the same. Only addition and subtraction can be done with the numerators. So answer is 5 over 10. Is this the final answer? Is this the final answer? Both has 5 as a factor. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. Hence it is half. Final answer is half there as well. 2 more examples. 2 more sums to be done. 51 out of 100 plus 19 out of 100 minus 18 out of 100 minus 39 over 100. How can we do this? Okay, I am not going to do addition and subtraction all straight away. First I am going to do the addition part. That means this. 100 remains the same. 51 and 18 together 69. Now we can subtract 39 from 69. So answer is 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 30 out of 100. Is this the final answer? We can divide both by 10 because there are zeros after 3 and 10. 0 to 0 cancel. So the final answer is more than that we can't simplify. There are no common factors. And our final sum for the day is, for the session is 101 out of 1000 plus 201 out of 1000 minus 203 out of 100 minus 53 out of 1000. Okay, 101 out of 1000 plus 203 out of 1000 minus 53 out of 1000. First I am going to add these two. 101 and 3, 203. 1 and 3, 4. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 2, 3. So when we add these two, it is 304 out of 1000. Now we can subtract. Suppose this is 2, this is 3. Okay, 101 and 202 together is 303. Now we can subtract 303 from another number as well. So we can subtract 53 from 303 here. 101 and 202 together, 303. 1 and 2, 3. 0 and 0, 0. 2 and 1, 3. Now we can subtract same number by 53. So we can subtract 53 from 303. Don't change the denominator. Denominator remains the same. So here 3 minus 3 means 0. 30 minus 5 means 25. Am I right? Yes, na? So it is 25 out of 1000 is the answer. Is that the final answer? Okay. We can simplify further. Zeros are there after 25 and 100. 10, 10, 0 to 0, 1. Answer is 25 out of 100. Still I am not sure whether this is the answer. We can divide both by 5 as well. Okay. Last digit of 25 is 5. Last digit of 100 is 0. So we can easily divide both by 5. Hence it is 5 over 20. Is that the final answer? Still I have a doubt whether this is the final answer. We get 250 out of 1000. We divide both by 10 because zeros came to the extreme right. So when we divide both by 10, we get 25 out of 100. And both are divisible by 5. Because 25 is a multiple of 5, 100 is also a multiple of 5. Or 5 is a factor of both 25 and 100. So we get 5 over 20. And 5 is a factor of 20 as well. 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 is a factor of 20 as well as 5 itself. So we can simplify further. By 5 by 5. Answer is 1 over 4. This is the final answer. This is too much. Don't think further. This is too much. The sum is too much. Don't take it seriously. If you are in grade 7 or grade 8, you might find it little tough. Don't worry about this sum. This is for your added knowledge. Okay? If you are in grade 4 or 5, you won't get sums like this. 6 even won't get. 7, 8 also might not get such advanced sum like this. Okay? So don't worry. You will be okay. Watch this video a couple of times. Then you will get to know what I have done here. Even if you are from grade 5 or 6, you can understand this if you can keep on watching this video. Okay? 7 and 8, there is a possibility to do a sum like this. Even 5 and 6, if you can keep on looking at these questions, you can brush up your knowledge and might get your brain into this particular level. Okay? So, that's it for today. Thank you very much.